Guys, get ready to witness a technical revelation that will leave you breathless. Brace yourself because OnePlus is about to unveil their long-awaited masterpiece, the OnePlus Fold. Rumors have been circulating, anticipation has been building, and now we have the inside scoop on what could be the strong competitor to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Guys, this groundbreaking device will release worldwide, ensure that smartphone enthusiasts from all corners of the globe can experience the future of mobile technology. OnePlus Fold will include 8-inch inner foldable screen with QHD plus resolution along with 6.5 inches outer Full HD plus screen. These both screens will captivate you with their buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, OnePlus Fold will sport the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, offering unrivaled performance with up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Guys, say goodbye to average photography because the OnePlus Fold is armed with 50 megapixel main camera, a stunning 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a game-changing 32 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Immerse yourself in a world of possibilities with a huge 4800 mAh battery featuring 80 watt wire charging. No more waiting around for your device to power up. The OnePlus Fold keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. But guys, Samsung is doing something very interesting about Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, so must watch these videos and stay tuned for more smartphone regarding updates.